Next to face the stage of truth, it's Waiting in the Wings. Waiting in the Wings, let's hear your voice!
Come on.
She's got to be good.
She's gorgeous.
Come on, girls.
I think she's going to be good.
Fingers crossed. Be bad. Be bad. Be terrible.
Okay. Can't even look.
The sun will be shining, 'cause I feel that when I'm with you, it's all right. I know it's right, and the songbirds keep singing like they know the score, and I love you, I love you, I love you like never before, like never before.
Wow. Oh, man. Not just a good singer, absolutely amazing singer.
Yeah.
Wow. So, your colleagues were the people who persuaded you to get into the singing side. How did it all come about?
Yeah, so I worked as a stage manager in theatres in London for about 3 years.
Yeah.
But my colleagues would always hear me singing, waiting in the wings, and they encouraged me to pursue a career in my true passion.
So, did you not kind of think to yourself, I've got a really good voice? Like, did they have to literally say you could do this?
I think it came from a place of there not being much representation for people with disabilities.
Of course.
And so I finally sort of had the courage to pursue that and represent and show that people with disabilities can also sing and be performers.
Absolutely.
You're so good.
Absolutely.
It was absolutely effortless. Your breath control, when you hit that big note, you didn't even take a breath and then you came back down and finished that song. It was amazing.
Thank you so much for singing for us tonight. Give it up for Waiting in the Wings, everybody.